This is a 2022 Ford Bronco Black Diamond. I'm going to show you the install of the dash camera, the front dash camera and the back dash camera, which you can see right behind me, right there. And I'm also going to show you the features they have and what I like about them and why I selected it. First one is the front dash camera. This is the Garmin 47. It shoots 1080p crisp video, so you can see right there. I'll show you a footage on how it performs while recording the video. A lot of YouTube, I think I've seen a YouTube videos wherein to power this, what they do is they actually use this right here. So you unplug that and there's a harness you can buy on Amazon. This is the Dongler Technologies right here. So you basically unplug the harness in the back, you plug this in, and then you plug your wiring for your auto dim mirrors right here, and then there's a USB that you can plug and supply power in your dash cam. The problem I'm having with that is it only works when your vehicle is on. So when you turn off the vehicle, it has no power, and if you're parked somewhere and somebody hits your vehicle, it won't be able to record it. What I did end up using is purchasing a different product that will allow you to supply power on both dash cams, the front and back. All the products that I used in this install will be at the description below. It is an Amazon link. You can buy all these on Amazon. And I looked around different places. Amazon actually has the cheapest prices for these products. You're gonna need only 3 of them. All right, so first you have to plug in the wire, mount it on your vehicle and how you want it. It could be in the center, here, or there. I choose the center, and then I just fed the wire right there where there's already a slot for the wires for the auto dim mirror. Now you don't need anything, you just need maybe a plastic credit card to feed that in there. And then this is not really airtight, so there is a little bit of gap, so you just feed the wire through here all the way there, and then when you get to this area right here, you just gotta tuck that in with that card or any plastic device. However, you will have to remove this right here. Now the tool you're gonna need to remove this is already on your glove box, so just remove. There's only 4 screws. Once you remove this, you'll have access to kind of the inside of this panel, and you just feed the wires inside. Once you do that right here, it doesn't take a lot to remove this panel where you can get the access to the fuse box. Just gotta, with your hand gently pull it out. You'll hear snaps. Okay, so once you have that wire fed, it's gonna come out somewhere here. So I have it fed right here. So this is one of the USB that came from the front facing dash cam. Now this is the wire that actually has 2 slots for the USB. I'll show you right now on the screen. It does come with an adhesive and also a Velcro, so it just sits right here on this panel. Once this is there, don't plug it yet to the OBD. You're gonna need to install the rear camera. Now if you only want the front camera, pause this video, you're done for now. All you gotta do is plug the OBD and then you're good to go. If you wanna do the rear camera, so the rear camera is a little tricky. So as you can see right here, it's recording. So same deal, mount the camera first. This is the only place I can mount this because I have a soft top. I won't be able to mount those there. And if on the summertime, if you want to bring the top down, then if you mount it anywhere there, you won't be able to see anything. So it's no use having the rear camera. One thing about this rear camera though, it is designed to mount on your front dash. I just used it in the back. Now it depends on the quality and how dirty your rear view mirror is, but at least it kind of captures something. I use it for, because I have a soft top, just in case somebody messes or, I don't know, cuts the soft top in the back open and steals any of my cargo, it does record here. It does have the G-Shock or G sensor or something like that, where it detects any movement in the vehicle and it automatically records it. So same deal, install it first. Now this plastic panel has give on it, so you don't have to remove any panels up here. All you gotta do is plug it in, feed it inside using a plastic tool to kind of push the wires inside right here, and you hide it, come across straight here, come across there, and then on this rubber seal you can hide it behind it. Once you route it right here, you just tuck it in. You will have to remove this panel so you can kind of place it right in the middle. This is easy to remove with your hand as well. Just gently lift it up, you'll see this, and then route it again underneath this plastic panel going to the front. Same deal, when you get to the front, route it right here, just tuck it in underneath the plastic panel. Remove this panel so you can seat it along with the other wirings, and then you can feed it up here. Once it feeds up here, then you can plug both USB on this constant power supply for Garmin, and then you secure it there, and then now you're done here. You can just gotta close this panel here. When you close it, you'll hear snaps. That's it. Once that's complete, then you can plug it to the OBD slot right here. Now on this selector, which it's hard to see here, but you do have selector on how many hours you want this powered on. It could be infinite, it could be, was that 24 and 8 hours? The cool thing about that is once it's plugged in, even though you have it for infinite or constant power, when your battery goes to less than a certain voltage, it shuts itself down so that you won't get stranded anywhere. Here's another advantage of having both Garmin dash cam front and back rather than getting different brands, is that they're voice activated and you can control it by a wake up word. So I'm gonna demonstrate now, and all I have to do is say it once and both camera would pick it up and they would save it, or you know, whatever you want them to do. Okay, Garmin, save a video. So it's saving the front, and also it's also saving in the back camera. Okay, Garmin, save a video. I also made a video about the 5 accessories that I added on my Bronco that is really useful, that you never thought you really needed until you start driving it. So if you ordered your Bronco waiting for it, or you have one right now, check that video out. It's going to be at the end, or you can tap here, somewhere here, up here, and I'll also link it at the end of this video. My name is Bombo. If you like this video, please hit the like button, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.